Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we are continuing some of the small projects that needed to be addressed on the new S-10. But before we get too far into today's video, if you haven't done so already, go ahead, please hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a thumbs up and a comment below. All that stuff is super helpful, and I do truly greatly appreciate it. Now let's get on with today's little project. Much like the rearview mirror that we replaced the other day, this little project is also something that, well, it's simple, but it's necessary. And if you're familiar with any of the mid-90s GM products, you're going to see what I mean. We're talking about sun visors. Now, we did just replace them in the 2002 Extreme, and that was partially the same reason we're replacing them in here. But with the 95, 96 S10s, I'm not too sure about 97s or not, but these have this little elastic strip, right? You can put something behind here, whatever. Look at the crap falling down. I don't know if you can see that, but they're horrible. But those are supposed to be elastic, right? Well, the elastic wears out, and this happens. This is just horse crap. And if you ask me, these things look just like a loaded diaper as well. I mean, they're droopy, they're saggy, there's stuff falling out of them. Look at it, it's just raining debris. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these out. I did get some on eBay, and I got some out of a newer vehicle actually that did not have this. Now normally you'd see this where somebody takes a razor blade and just cuts this little strap off and gets rid of it, but then you still have this little nub on the end, and well, it looks like you cut it off with a razor blade. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these, both of them out, because, well, they both are terrible, and it's just something we can't live with. We don't want to live with that. We have a show truck, and that's not very showy. Like I said in the last video, it's attention to detail, which makes things top-notch or bottom rung. So let's go ahead and replace those quick. And this again is just a simple star tip. So we're going to drop and lose the screws. No, I'm kidding. But we are going to drop one. We did find it. We're good. And then oh, come on. Do not over tighten these. Just get them nice and snug. You do not want to strip out the part inside the headliner. Then you're just asking for more problems, and that's what we're trying to avoid. So that's done. Very simple. See how nice and tight that is? It's not baggy. Doesn't look like a loaded diaper. It's kind of what I like to say, because that's what it looks like to me. You know, that little kid that runs around the neighborhood with a soggy, drooping diaper? Well, that's what these look like. So, this is a hell of a lot better. They fit nice. We're going to go ahead and swap out this one here. Imagine if you were picking up a beautiful woman on a date. She gets in your car. You know how the ladies do. They always look in the little mirror, check their makeup as you're walking back to your side of the vehicle after letting them in. And this damn strap falls in their face. They're going to think you're not the man they thought you were, because, well, you got some crap all over your car. You know, you spend time cleaning and detailing and making it, the rest of it look all nice. And then that thing falls down. Not very attractive. The concept and the idea of that being there isn't terrible, but GM didn't execute it very well. Let's take a minute here and compare the two. Now, the new one doesn't have a mirror, which is fine. Not a big deal at all. But as you can see, look how baggy that is. That's just terrible. The whole thing, it's just coming apart. It's not even elasticy anymore. I mean, that's terrible. A guy could probably take it to an upholsterer and have it redone like entirely, but for the cost of that versus the cost of just getting some different ones, it's a lot easier to just get the different ones. Now see how nice and tight this is? I mean, I can rub across it and it doesn't billow as I go. Either side. There's always going to be a little bit where it flexes here for the corner, and that's just because they need a little give, otherwise it'd be so tight that it wouldn't flex at all. And, well, we want the flex. So, let's go ahead and put this one in and call this project finito. Go ahead and snap her in on this side just to help me hold it. Line that up. And get that started. Get our screws here. Get them set. And remember, just snug them down nicely. There's no need to reef on them. So that's another little project done. They look a lot better. Nothing baggy or saggy about those. These actually have this is the newer style, like I said. So they do have the warnings on them, but that's not a problem. That's a lot better than having some wore out elastic strap bouncing in your face. These are actually functional in every sense of the word, so they look good. They do their job. I like them. That's going to do it for another episode. I hope you enjoyed. Very simple little project to do, and it does make a world of difference. Remember, the devil is in the details, and that's something that we truly strive to achieve. The details. So remember, if you haven't done so already, go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. Like I keep saying, all that stuff is truly greatly appreciated, and it helps me out way more than you'll ever know. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.